In today's video, we are going to talk about some powerful words: confidence, sigma, alpha, and aura. Why is it important to really understand these terms? And how can we use them to grow and improve ourselves in the positive way? We'll also explore the flip side: what happens if we misunderstand or misuse these ideas. By the end of this video, you'll not only know the real meaning behind these words, but also how to apply them in your own life the right way. Before we start, if you truly want to feed your mind and upgrade your personality to the next level, hit that subscribe button right now. Because here we don't just talk, we transform. If you stay with me till the end, you won't just learn something, you'll feel it in your bones. First of all, we'll talk about the misunderstandings about these words. In our society, people often misunderstand the words sigma, aura, and alpha. They think these terms are about arrogance, ego, or disrespect. But that's not true. These are actually positive mindsets. Being sigma doesn't mean showing others small. It means you are 100% satisfied with your living style, with your standards, and your personality. You radiate to the word, I'm enough, I'm whole. And listen carefully, this also doesn't mean that you have everything in your life but no peace. No. The real sigma mindset is about peace with growth. It's about having calmness inside, while every single day you upgrade yourself, your thoughts, your presence, your energy. Sigma is not about competition with the world. It's about you versus you. Imagine two people walk into a room. The first one is loud, trying to get everyone's attention. And the second one walks in quietly, says nothing. But suddenly everyone feels the energy shift. Eyes follow him. The air feels heavier, stronger. That's sigma presence. Sigma is not about making noise. Sigma is about making people feel your silence. People often stop at confidence. They think speaking clearly, dressing well, or acting bold is enough. But aura, sigma, and alpha presence, that's the next level. Confidence is speaking clearly. Aura is when your silence speaks louder than your words. Sigma is when you don't chase people, you attract them. Alpha is not about dominating others. It's about becoming so strong, so unshakable that nobody can ignore you. Now let's talk about aura. Aura is not magic. It's not something spiritual only. It's an art, a skill, and skills are always built with practice. When you build it, people notice your energy before even you speak. So how do you build this aura? Self-respect. Treat yourself like you are valuable. If you don't, nobody else will. Posture and presence. Walk like you own your space. Don't shrink yourself. Controlled speech. Don't talk too much. Speak less, but make every word count. Consistency. Upgrade daily. Aura is not built in one day. It's built in every small win you collect, every small habit you master. Remember, people treat you the way you treat yourself. Now some people will misunderstand you. They'll say you have changed. They'll whisper he thinks he's better than us. And here's the truth. They are not wrong. You have changed. You are not better than them, but you are better than who you used to be. That's sigma mindset. Society wants you to stay normal, predictable, and average. But sigma energy makes you stand out. And people fear what they can't control. That's why you'll always see two reactions to aura: admiration or jealousy. And you must be ready for both. Psychologically, humans are wired to notice energy before words. That's why you can feel uncomfortable around some people without knowing why, and instantly safe around others without exchanging a word. That's aura. When you cultivate calmness, when you control your breathing, when your body language is open but firm, people read it subconsciously. That's why a sigma presence always stands out, because it's not fake, it's built from within. So the point is, how do you master this practically? Let me give you a daily upgrade system. Morning reset. Spend 10 minutes in silence. No phone, just breathe and set your mindset. Body language check. Every time you enter a room, straighten your back, slow your walk, and make your presence felt. Controlled words. Don't rush to answer. Pause, think, then speak. Pauses build power. Self-investment. Read, learn, and work out daily. Sigma presence grows when you grow. Reflection. At night, ask yourself, am I 1% better than yesterday? If yes, you win. Let me be real with you. A powerful aura isn't built by wearing brands, flexing money, or showing off cars. That's fake alpha. True Sigma aura is inner game plus outer game. Inner game means strong mindset, emotional control, quiet confidence. Outer game means body language, eye contact, voice tone, and style. When both align, you create a magnetic field of presence people can't ignore. Here's the golden rule of aura. The less you need people, the more they want you. When you are desperate, people run away. When you are centered, calm, and self respecting, people get curious. They want to know your secret. They start chasing your presence without you say a word. That's the Sigma power. So, my dear viewer, from today, promise yourself one thing. Your competition is not with your friends, not society, not this world. Your competition is only you versus you. Upgrade yourself every single day. Walk with presence. Speak with impact. Build your aura. Unlock your Sigma mindset and rise to a point where people don't just notice you, they remember you. Because the strongest aura is not the one that makes people look twice. It's the one that makes people never forget.